You know what I'm saying? Yo, this is our platform. And you don't have to walk away. Anybody got something on their heart they want to say, they want to speak to their family, speak. On Zulu. Hood, you didn't even let it know. Put it on there.
My fault, my fault.
I don't know.
Pound the split and all that. Perfect, some of the thugs, Z-Gang, Brooklyn G's, all that. Alright, yeah. Peace. We ain't gonna keep it all ciphered up too long, you know.
Yeah, because everybody looking at all that.
Just folks all put up. But peace and all that. That's where we at.
Hey. Sorry about that. I just wanted to say peace. Brother L. Chapter 17 Shadow Clan. All I want to say is, I know a lot of y'all don't know me. I haven't been around a long time for some of y'all, but all I'm gonna say is straight up, y'all in something bigger than all of y'all. So all I'm gonna say is represent it well. Know what you're representing. Remember your origins. Know where you came from. Carry that with you. Peace.
Peace. Lo, just remember you starting to me though, Lo.
Shut up, Biggs.
Shut it down?
That's what it is.
On Zulu. Great.
Hey. Real quick. I just wanted to say, now I mean, I'm taking up a collection for the brother Sean who's locked down, the brother Pookie that's locked down, and also the brother Vlad who's in Haiti. I mean, if anyone got even 50 cents or whatever, send to those brothers, you know what I'm saying? The brothers put a lot of work in for this, have a lot of
anybody you know.
I mean, so holler at me if you want to do a donation to send them, you know what I'm saying? That's it.
Free my brother Sean,
Free Sean, free Paul.
Free Weege, I'm home now. Free Weege, I'm home now.
You here.
Yeah, right? You here. So
Weege is free.
I'm free, nigga.
Yo, I'm gonna try to get all y'all to flick.